guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing April's box for Candy Coat. Now normally it does come in a little cute colourful pink cardboard box, but this time it came in this cute little pink fluorescent reusable bag, which I do like very much. So let's see what we've got inside. So first things first, you always get some sweeties. I don't care much for them, so I'll give them to my son, but some sweets. We have some sponges. Like personally I'd call these makeup sponges, but you can use them on your nails. So there's a little pack of them. We have a nail file. We have a cuticle stick. We have 3 swatch sticks in a baby pink colour. We have a cute little brush. These are good for if you have the little pots of gel polish. These are good for using to paint onto your nail. What else have we got? Oh, we've got some cute little colourful stickers. We got some press-on nails, which are all size 10. Yes, so 2 lots of size 10. I don't know what I could use them for, because I can tell you right now that size 10 are way too small, even for my little pinky. So apart from maybe doing some swatches on, I'll probably get rid of them. Then we have a cute sparkly nail polish. So this is a polish, not a gel, and it just comes off with normal acetone. Pink and sparkly. I will probably give that to my daughter. Then we have a watercolour ink. We've had 2 of these before, so I'm hoping this is a different colour. Oh gosh, paper. So now we have a Plump It Up Nude. It's just got Hammer Free LED Gel Nail Plump with Candy Coat written on it. And then we have our 3 gel polishes that we get every month. Ooh. Now all these are humour free. So we've got, it looks like a lavender, a pastel yellow and a pastel blue. So along with the watercolour and this Pump It Up, I'm going to swatch them and we will be back, guys. So first was this watercolour. On the swatch I just painted it white and then put this over the top, and it is very much like an olive green colour, as you can see, and it is a different colour to what I've already got. Then we have this, what they call it, Plump It Up Nude. Now this is very, very thick. I don't know if it is meant to be used as like a biab, but that is very much the consistency of this one. And this is the colour, which is, as you can see, very, very pale and slightly see-through. And then for our humour-free gel colours, we have this yellow. Very, very nice. Then the next one, we have the lavender. And then for the last one, we have this blue. These are all one coat, and they are all highly pigmented. You don't need multiple coats with them, which I do like. So these are all the like polishes that we got. And I have to say, out of these colours, this blue is stunning. I love this colour blue. That is most definitely my favourite. So yeah, they were like the gel polishy stuff that we got. We have that one, which I'll be giving to my daughter. These nail tips, which are pretty much useless really. Some nail sponges, some stickers, a nail file, a brush, cuticle stick, some swatch sticks, and some sweeties. And I only pay £15 for this mystery box, which I believe is most definitely worth your money, because on their website these are like £8 each, and you get 3 of these. So there's your £15 right off the bat, and then we've got like these extra stuff here, and all this as extra for free. So I definitely think it is worth the money. I like the colours we've got. I've got quite a few pastel-y colours now, with this blue one being my favourite. Yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds and it really helps you girl out. And I'll see you in another video, guys.